the chief guest for the Money Today FPCIL Awards, Mr. Amitabh Chaturvedi and Sandeep Parekh, my colleagues in the jury, Mr. Karthik Radia, national leader of DH Consultants, which is one of the leading accounting firms in the country. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome all the nominees for the Money Today FPCIL Awards. I can see some of our charter members, delegates, CFP professionals, students pursuing the CFP program, and other guests for the second award ceremony of the FPCIL Money Today Awards. These awards have been jointly instituted by FPCIL and Money Today with a view to recognize and honor the best organizations and individuals in the personal financial space who have demonstrated leadership in ensuring the well-being for consumers. The first edition of these awards had marked a beginning of the establishment of new benchmark in the financial services domain. With these awards, we aim to take the momentum further and establish superior benchmarks for the consumer centricity and, most important, superior governance. We are happy to state that for the first time we have a type of awards which are broad-based, wherein the two-pronged approach of the Money Today Awards stand out. On one hand, it covers the financial services sector as regards to the design of the products, the governance aspect of the entities who design the products, and the intermediation involved in the ethical delivery of the product. And on the other hand, it captures the outcome in terms of the financial well-being of consumers who utilize these products in achieving their respective financial goals. Thus, a holistic consumer-centric approach underlines the constitution and the execution of the Money Today FPCIL Awards. These awards also aim to create an understanding of the entire value chain rather than seeing any processes in isolation. This leads to a convergence of financial services across all asset classes from the financial consumer perspective. The genesis of the awards lies in our shared vision of all our stakeholders, that is FPCIL, Money Today, and DH Consultants, to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts made by the industry participants in the personal financial space. The organizations as well as individuals who are working relentlessly to provide the right products and services to the consumers, enabling them to actualize their respective financial goals, definitely deserve to be recognized in terms of their contribution, that is the well-being of their consumers. This is the guiding philosophy behind these awards. We are thankful and applaud the esteemed jury members, which consist of distinguished professionals across various domains. As we are aware, the financial sector serves as a catalyst for expanding the economic growth in the country, while also aiding the creation of well-being at all levels in the society through access to financial products and services. In the current times, with growth in marketing and distribution of financial products and services in India, there has been an increased focus on suitability of products to the consumer needs and the processes adopted by the financial intermediaries for sales of financial products and services. The objectives go beyond just protecting the financial consumers from possible unfair business practices. The end objectives are more aligned towards the consumer financial well-being in the long term. Various regulatory developments, especially the guidelines issued by the Reserve Bank of India on the wealth management, marketing and distribution services by the banks, have been on similar lines for the establishment of prudential norms in the distribution of the third priority products through banks. In addition, The SEBI Investment Advisor Regulations, duly notified by SEBI in January 2013, have clearly established a distinction between what constitutes a sale and what constitutes an advice of a product. The most important, the Financial Sector Legislative Reform Commission, established by the Government of India, submitted their report in March 2013, in which they have recommended sweeping reforms in the financial sector by way of structural changes and reforms in the consumer redressal mechanism as well. From the standpoint of the industry, they not only need to develop the fair and transparent financial products, but also devise a credible mechanism to ensure that the financial products reach the end customers to suit their profile and respective requirements. This is a judicious mix of product design and the intermediation, the latter more aligned to the independent advisory than conflict distribution. The financial products then become an array of choices which are mixed and matched to the customer's profile. The advisory thus becomes ingrained in the distribution mechanism. The regulatory oversight and the legislative reform conforming to the same shall ensure that such a structure goes ahead. We are pleased to share with you that at Financial Planning Standards Board India, a professional standard setting institution in financial planning domain, we have been actively working with all the stakeholders, including the regulators, consumers, industry, and the media, towards the establishment of advisory standards and protecting the public in the country, and also creating a propaganda towards this objective. The very fact that we are having this award with money today is a true testimony of the same. In the present times, the Certified Financial Planner certification promoted by FPSB India has come to be recognized as a gold standard certification in financial planning domain, which cuts across various sectors, that is asset management, banking, broking, insurance, and other financial services, as in all the sectors, that is public as well as private. At present, over 1,53,000 professionals have embraced this global mark of excellence in financial planning. Currently, we are pleased to share with you that in India, over 35,000 candidates have registered with FPSB India, and over 27,000 students have cleared at least one or more modules. And over 5,000 candidates have cleared all the modules of FPSB India and are on the way of becoming the certified financial planner. These awards, that is the Money Today FPCL awards, are expected to lead the establishment of suitable benchmark for the recognition for organizations and institutions which have been working tirelessly in the interest of the consumers. This is also expected to motivate others to follow the desired pathway for creating a win-win for all the stakeholders. Going ahead, the financial services is expected to become a knowledge and competence-driven industry, and thus a certification like a CFP certification can become a benchmark as well. In the coming years, we do aspire to take the awards to a global level, wherein we could have participation of leading global stakeholders and together continue to establish superior benchmarks in the financial services domain. At last but not the least, I would like to thank all the stakeholders, especially our partners, the respected jury members, our knowledge partner, the Money Today Group, and our sponsors for helping us making this event a grand success. Thank you very much.